This is Cupcake Panda, and I'm here with Epic Girl 2006. Hi. So I'm playing World Chef. I actually started it a little bit. But today I'm going to actually I got rid of the tables. I got rid of the stuff I wanted to get rid of, and I'm gonna redesign this whole thing. So let's do this. I'm making some walls. Oh, need some walls. So I think I'm gonna make a table thing. So like a little table room for special people. I did that here too. And let's buy some decorations. Doors, windows, let's try windows. I have this. It could have a nice view. Why is it not working? Why is this not working? So yeah, Epic Girl didn't actually talk so much. Maybe you can talk? Okay. Yeah, you can. Yeah!
Check out my channel.
Yo! It's better than you think it is! I dare you.
I like my videos.
Yeah, you must. You must.
You must, or you're not worthy
Yeah.
of being awesome.
Yes. Yo. Like it. Also mine.
I just uploaded a new
Oh.
video.
So go like 2. I need to get a lamp. Oh, I'm gonna get this
Hey,
passive.
I'm uploading my World Chef.
Yo, she's doing the
Uploading. You can't see.
Yep, but you can't. You can't.
45%.
Okay, let's put the tables here. One table. I think I should get a door thing, or could this waiters guys just go through? Oh, the people could just go through. Let's get that. So the people could just go through the walls. So that's fabulous. I think I'll just do this. Actually, I like the other. What was it? What was it? I think it was this is. What was it? I don't care. I'm going to be ending this video now. Like and subscribe for more, cause I'm not gonna do it if you don't. Okay, bye.